So welcome to our new discussion, and for today's discussion, this is a continuation for our previous discussion in which the evaluation on function. And for today, we are going to tackle about the operation and function on multiplication and division. But first, let us try the multiplication. So let's try this example. F of x is equals to x squared minus 3. So plug in the f of x and g of x. So f of 0 times g of 2. So 0, 2 minus 3 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2. Then you have just simplify this. So 0 times 2 is 0, in which copy the negative 3, and 2 times 2 raised to 2 is 4. So 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Then plus, copy the plus, and 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then multiply to find the value of f of 0 and g of 2. So therefore, copy the negative 3, and 18 plus 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Then therefore your f of 0 Therefore, your f of 0 and g of 2 is equals to negative 42. So we proceed to the operation on function on division. So let's try this example. G of x is equals to 2x squared plus 3x. So the other form how to write this, we have f of 2 divided by g of 0, or f of 2 over g of 0. So solution, f of 2 divided by g of 0 is equals to x squared minus 3 over 2x squared plus 3x. No, so we have just copied the given. Now plug the value of x, so the value of g rather, and the f. Therefore, we have 2 squared minus 3, then over 2 of 0 squared plus 3 of 3 times 0. So we have simplify. So 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. Then minus 3, copy. Then 0 raised to the power of 2 is 0. Then 0 times 2 is equals to 0, plus 3 times 0 is equals to 0. Therefore, your f of 2 over or divided by g of 0 is equals to 1 over 0. So it is undefined. It is because the denominator is 0.